Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Claude AI and VS Code's best AI generator. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Anthropic. It's designed to generate text, answer questions, help with writing, brainstorming, and even do some coding. Claude is a conversational, creative, and focused on safe and helpful responses. It's like talking to helpful assistants that understands what you're asking and gives human-like replies. Claude is great for writing stories, summarizing articles, creating emails, or giving explanations. While it can also write and explain code, it's not meant to be a full code editor or development environment. It's more of a general-purpose AI tool that helps with many tasks, including code generation. VS Code or Visual Studio Code is a code editor made by Microsoft. It supports many programming languages and is very popular among developers. By itself, VS Code is not an AI generator, but it becomes one when you add extensions like GitHub Copilot. With Copilot, VS Code can suggest entire lines or functions of code based on what you're typing. It helps developers work faster, catch mistakes early, and get ideas when they're stuck. VS Code is made specially for coding, so it includes tools like debugging, file management, and Git support. So if you want an AI that can do more than just code, like writing, research, and chatting, Claude AI is a better fit. But if you're mainly focused on building software and want AI to help you write better and faster code, then VS Code with GitHub Copilot is the better choice. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.